high-speed AI drone beats world champion racers for the first time. This is about the development of an AI-powered autonomous drone system called Swift that can outperform human pilots in first-person view. FPV drone racing. The AI system uses real-time data and neural networks to navigate the race course as quickly as possible. But it still has limitations in generalization and adaptability compared to human pilots. This technology has potential applications in various fields, including forest monitoring, space exploration, and search and rescue missions.
So the University of Zurich and Intel have developed an autonomous drone system called Swift that can beat human champions in first-person view. FPV drone racing. This is a big deal because while AI has surpassed humans in games like chess and Go, this may be the first time it has outperformed humans in a physical sport.
That's right. FPV drone racing is a sport where pilots control high-speed drones remotely through an obstacle course. They wear a headset that provides a video feed from an onboard camera, giving them a first-person view from the drone's perspective.
The researchers at the University of Zurich have been working on creating an AI-powered drone pilot for years, but they previously needed help from a special motion capture system to win. However, they recently made a breakthrough by using machine vision, putting the AI system on a more even footing with human pilots.
Swift uses real-time data collected by an onboard camera and an inertial measurement unit to measure acceleration and speed. An artificial neural network processes this data to locate the drone in space and identify race gates on the course. A control unit, based on a deep neural network, then chooses the best course of action to complete the race circuit as quickly as possible.
The AI model was trained using reinforcement learning in a simulated environment, and when tested against 3 world-class human pilots, Swift secured multiple wins and even recorded the fastest lap, finishing with a half-second lead over the best human pilot.
However, it's important to note that the AI system showed limitations in generalization and adaptability. It struggled when conditions differed from those it was trained for, such as changes in lighting. This highlights that while AI has made great progress in navigating physical environments, human pilots still have an edge in adaptability and responding to variable conditions.
Absolutely. But this new technology has several potential real-world applications. It could be used in forest monitoring, space exploration, the film industry for shooting action scenes, and even search and rescue missions where drones need to cover large areas quickly.
It's impressive to see how far this team from the University of Zurich has come in such a short time. They continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do in the world of drone racing.
Do us a favor and please hit subscribe, and maybe even tell a friend. Now let's keep the discussion going, taking a look at